monster in the kitchen.
No. No.
What? In this game, the children are going to pick a card and find a monster.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh, I don't want to put.
They're very fun. But yeah, I know. So we're going to ask the monster to go away. Okay?
Okay.
So when we pick a card, we say, "Oh no, there is a ghost in the dining room. Oh no, there is a in the bathroom." Okay? And we all sing. The one that picks the card says that, and the others, we're gonna help him not be scared and say, "Go away, scary monster. Go away." Okay?
Okay.
Ben, do you want to start?
But
Pick the card. Let's look what's under. There is
a skeleton
in the
bedroom.
Oh no! Go away, scary skeleton! Go away! Okay, would you like to pick a card?
Okay. The bathroom.
Ooh.
There is a zombie in the bathroom taking a shower.
Oh no! Go away, scary zombie! Go away! Heather, would you like to try?
No.
What are you going to do? If I hold your hand.
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
Living room.
Okay. What's that?
It's a mummy and it's not my mummy.
So
There's a mummy in the living room.
Oh
no!
Go away, scary mummy! Go away! Okay, great game to review rooms and monsters.
Nice.